So this is a 10, this is a 5. I know I can multiply 5 times 2 to get to 10. So I'm going to keep my denominator as 10. Okay? Times 2, 8 over 10. Okay, we've done that. So that's the same. All right, so now we go back and we look. I'm going to highlight it a little bit for you. We look at the 3, and we look at the 8, and we're subtracting. I cannot take 8 away from 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to the 5, and I'm going to borrow 1. So I'm going to make this a 4. I'm going to take the 1 unit that I took out of the 5, the 1 whole, and I'm going to cut it up the same way this is. I'm going to cut it up to 10 over 10. That equals 1 unit, the 1 unit I took out. And I'm going to add it to this fraction. So now I have 13 over 10. These two groups are equal to each other. I just took 1 unit out of the 5 and I put it in with my fraction so that I could now subtract. So let's go. 8 from 13, 5 over 10. 1 from 4, 3. 3 and 5/10. Always look at my fraction to see if I can simplify, which I can. Can divide by 5, and get 1/2. And that's my final answer. So I didn't convert all this into a mixed number and all of this into a mixed number. Subtract and then convert it all back to I didn't convert all of this into an improper fraction, and all of this into an improper fraction. Subtract and then turn it back to a mixed number, which was the original process I showed you of regrouping. I just grabbed 1 unit, 1 whole from the 5, changed it to whatever the denominator was, 10 over 10, and added it in. So that's all I'm doing is taking it so I can now subtract. And I like this method better because it doesn't involve so much converting back and forth. But you look, and it's acceptable to do it either way. You feel comfortable with it. But we'll practice both ways, and you can see which way works best for you. Okay?